Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is after the weekend clean with me. It is a Monday. I had worked all weekend and my husband was home with the kids. We also had guests over, so I had lots to do. There was a lot of laundry to do. Stuff was everywhere, not in its place. I will not be in the kids' bedroom at all in this video just because I had already done their bedrooms and my stepkids were with us. So I normally try to get into their room on Fridays when they go back to their mother's house. So I just had things to do, and there were things just everywhere all around the house. Just like I said, nothing was in its place. Also, I will be showing you my laundry room in this video. I realized I had never filmed in there, and now that I think about it, I don't even know why. I do know that we are going to redo our laundry room and maybe that's it, but I just realized I guess I never have laundry to do when I'm cleaning. I don't know. But as you can see, Bella's little beaver on the floor, her food, everything was just all over the place. Also, by the front door, there's just trash. That sink is still sitting there. I don't know when my husband is going to get rid of it. It is very, very, very heavy. I cannot lift it up myself. So that is where it has been since we swapped out our sink. So yes, and I am still not sure if I'm going to film in the kitchen or not anytime soon. Definitely not in this video. But yes, and outside was an ugly day. It has been raining here, and they were talking about actually flooding, and our kids did not have school this week. I think it was Tuesday, because it was raining pretty bad, and they were talking about that the lake was going to flood. So yes. Alright, so we are going to get started in my bedroom. I decided to start in this bedroom because this had the most, just everything was in disarray in here. It had to be worked on. So I did not change the sheets because I had already done that. So I'm just making the bed, and then I will work my way into the bathroom as well. I focused a lot on my bedroom because it was just, like I said, a big disaster in here. So this is where I spent most of the time cleaning up this room, and then my bathroom, and then the kids' bathroom. I don't spend any time in their bedroom just because we have them this week, and I typically go into their bedroom the Friday that they go back to their mother. So that's not going to be in this video. But also, I did clean our dining area, but you guys, I don't know what happened to the camera. It completely lost focus. It is completely blurred, so I cut that out. I did not want to hurt your eyes from you guys trying to watch that clip, but I did clean that. I do have a picture of it at the end of the video. Okay, you guys, I, for the life of me, cannot find any lamps that I like. I did find one, but it's kind of like a last resort if I can't find the lamp that actually speaks to me. I am just trying to find something that would look really good in our bedroom, and I have been to Home Goods and TJ Maxx. I've been to At Home. I just can't seem to find that lamp that I'm wanting, and I don't know where else to look, to be honest. So I have been going back to Home Goods. I think I might go today actually, because we are in desperate need of lamps in our bedroom. Every time we come into the room, we have to either turn on the light, or my husband has that little teeny tiny touch lamp that you see on his nightstand. I think that was in his office or at a desk somewhere. I don't even know, but that is the only lamp that we have at the moment. So we are definitely on the market for those. And you guys, like I said, look everywhere, but every time I find one, I just don't think that it's big enough. I don't want the lamp to be super small just because our room is pretty big. I mean, it's not super big, but I just don't want the lamp to look tiny. And just like you see his lamp on his desk, it just looks dwarfed compared to everything else. And I know it's just a touch desk lamp, but I just want the lamp to make a statement. I just feel like it needs to, I don't know, pop in the room, I guess.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel.
We have not fixed the kids' toilet paper holder just because we are going to redo this whole bathroom. My husband has not fixed it just because he wants to change the location of it, but I told him to hold off because I want to paint the whole entire bathroom first, and then he can go ahead and apply all the fixtures. We're going to change out that mirror because I honestly do not like it, and we're going to remove the towel bar in the kids' bathroom, so I am excited about that project. Alright guys, I will link this recipe down below. I just found it on Pinterest. It is a beef stroganoff, but we did not, or I did not eat it with any pasta. Well, we didn't eat it with any pasta. I had it with some cauliflower mash, and the kids had it with regular mashed potatoes and some veggies. I don't have a plated picture of this because I had to go to work this evening, so I just left this in the crock pot. But my husband did say it was good. He is not a fan of stew meat, but he did say this turned out pretty good.
You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever.
Alright guys, see how not focused the camera is? I do not know what happened, but I did leave this one in here just because it's not a very long clip, but I'm so sorry that it looks so blurry. You guys, I love using my dryer balls. I do not use dryer sheets because I'm very sensitive, but I do use the balls and I do put essential oils on them, and the clothes come out very dry, and it also picks up lint as well. So I completely love my dryer balls.
I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air.
You guys, I love using Tide Pods. Those are my favorites, and I love using these scent boosters. I get these at Sam's Club. I stock up when they are on sale because I run out of them very, very, very quickly, but I love the way they smell. And since I am very sensitive, those have been the only ones that I've noticed that I do not break out. Nothing happens to my skin. They're amazing. They smell amazing too. And this next clip, so 30 minutes before you're about to serve this dish, you're supposed to add a cup of sour cream and a package of cream cheese. You guys, this was so delicious. I have never made beef stroganoff before, and I've never actually had it, but I saw it on Pinterest and I decided to give it a try. And this is a keto version because typically you eat this with pasta, but we did not. At least I didn't. I had cauliflower mash, and then everyone else had like mashed potatoes and some sort of veggie. But that is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.